Staying connected to a student's academic life can be a challenge when schedules and assignments move so quickly. The goal is to stay informed without feeling overwhelmed by the data. This portal acts as a central hub, designed to bring all that information together into a single, intuitive view. In this guide, we will cover how to read the weekly schedule, verify attendance records, and track academic growth over time. By learning to navigate this dashboard, you can move from checking in occasionally to having a clear, daily understanding of your students' progress. We will start with the main dashboard layout you see immediately after logging in. First, verify your name in the top right corner to ensure you're in the correct account. Next, use the top center student selector to switch between profiles. You can confirm the active child by checking the large header on the left. Verifying these areas ensures the schedule and metrics you review are accurate for that specific child. The timetable grid maps the entire week. Vertical columns show specific daily progressions. Inside, each block details time, subject, teacher, and room. Horizontal rows highlight breaks, while numbers on the left sequence the periods from start to finish. Understanding this grid allows you to pinpoint exactly where your child is and who they are with at any point during the school day. Just above the schedule, summary metric cards provide a broader view. They compare total available periods against those assigned. Checking that the empty and conflicts cards read 0 confirms a fully balanced, error-free weekly schedule. These cards serve as a quick diagnostic, ensuring the schedule is perfectly balanced and error-free. Beyond checking the daily schedule, the parent portal also provides direct access to deep performance data and long-term historical trends. An attendance bar chart tracks presence over a 30-day window, highlighting consistency. Switching views reveals academic growth trend lines, mapping the student's steady progress toward their credit requirements throughout the semester. Combining these attendance and progress updates with the daily schedule provides a clear record of how your student is engaging with their schoolwork. To make this information accessible away from your computer, look to the action buttons in the upper right. Select Download PDF to save a digital copy, or use the Print button to generate a hard copy for the home. These digital and physical tools are available through the portal at any time, ensuring you always have the most current information. You are now prepared to use these features to stay updated on your student's schedule and support their progress throughout the school year.